Fire. There's a fire in the engine room. I need to report this immediately. Bridge. This is engine cadet. Fire detected at the engine room.
Okay, copy. Stand by. We'll keep monitoring. Master, this is officer of the watch. We receive a report on a fire in the engine room.
Initiate the fire alarm and proceed with firefighting measure.
Bridge, this is the fire team leader. The fire is out of control. We cannot contain it.
Cannot be controlled. We must abandon ship. Officer of the watch, prepare to broadcast a distress call.
Aye, Master. Broadcasting distress now. Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is Berlin Express, Berlin Express, Berlin Express. Call sign, Papa Kilo Alpha Hotel. MMSI 2515351000. Position, latitude 25 degrees 22.3 north. Longitude 003 degrees 112.2 east. My vessel is on fire. My vessel is on fire. I repeat, my vessel is on fire. I require immediate assistance. Over.
Attention all crew. This is the master. Abandon ship immediately. Proceed to your master station and follow abandon ship procedures. Everyone accounted for.
Yes, Master. All crew safely aboard lifeboats.
Good. We will remain clear of the vessel and await rescue.
අවස්ථාවේදී ඉන්දියානු නෞකා දෙකක් මෙම සිද්ධිය වූ ස්ථානය අසලට පැමිණ තිබෙනවා. ඒ සමගම තව නෞකාවක් හෙට දිනේදීත් ඒ වගේම ඉන්දියන් ඩ්‍රෝනීය ගුවන් යානයක් අද දිනේදීත් පැමිණීමට නියමිතයි.
steering alarm triggered. I need to report this right away. Master, an alarm just triggered on the steering console.
Understood. Let me check. The steering is not working. I need to call the engine room immediately. Engine room, this is the bridge. The steering is not responding. What is the status?
Bridge, this is the chief engineer. Both steering motors are broken. Repairs aren't possible immediately. You'll need to anchor the vessel as soon as possible.
Understood. We'll proceed to anchor. Officer of the watch, broadcast an urgency message immediately. Warn all vessels in vicinity to give way while we anchor.
I master, broadcasting now. Pan. All stations, all station, all station. This is MB Berlin Express, Berlin Express, Berlin Express. Call sign, Papa, Kilo, Alpha, Hotel. Position, latitude 25 degrees, 22.3 minutes, north. Longitude 003 degrees, 11.2 minutes, east. We are experiencing a steering failure. Both steering motors are inoperative. We are anchoring immediately. All vessels in the vicinity are advised to keep clear. Over.
Ensure proper coordination with the deck team. We need to drop anchor smoothly.
Deck team, ready, Master.
Proceed to drop anchor.
This is MB Berlin Express. To all vessels in the vicinity, the situation is under control. We have safely anchored. Maintain clearance until further notice.
Good work, everyone. We'll wait here until repairs are complete or assistance arrives.
Floating container, 2 points to the starboard bow. I need to report this to the bridge. Master, there's a floating container, spotted. 2 points to the starboard bow.
Thank you. Officer of the watch, confirm this immediately.
Confirm, Master. A floating container is ahead, approximately 2 points to the starboard bow. Master, I confirm the floating container visually and on radar.
Good work. Officer of the watch, take the position of the container and prepare to broadcast a safety message on channel 1.
Security. All stations, all stations, all stations. This is MB Berlin Express. Call sign Papa Kilo Alpha Hotel. Navigation warning. Listen channel 1-2 out. Security. All stations, all stations, all stations. This is MB Berlin Express. Call sign Papa Kilo Alpha Hotel. Floating container at position 22 degrees 5 minutes north. Approximately 2 points to starboard bow of our current course. All vessels are advised to navigate with caution. Over.
Officer of the watch, keep monitoring the radar and inform me if there are any further developments. Ensure this is logged in the ship's record.
I master, logging the event and maintaining vigilance.